This is how to clear history in Microsoft Edge browser. First, open Microsoft Edge. Then, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select History. Now, look for the trash can icon or the option to delete browsing data. You can also use the faster method by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open this. Now, choose the time range you want to clear. You can select options such as the last hour, today, or all time. Next, make sure Browsing History is checked. This is the option that removes the list of websites you have visited. When you're ready, click Clear Now. From this same menu, you can also clear other types of browsing data, such as download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and autofill information. Be careful with these options because some of them can sign you out of websites or remove saved information. Also, clearing download history only removes the download list. It does not delete the files you already downloaded. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.